पापा आपको कभी हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाना है, आई वांट यू टू लिव लॉन्गर. एंड दैट डे इट हिट मी, यार what am I doing? I am procrastinating and this guy is caring for me. 41,000 steps in one day that I did on my last birthday. So I quit eating sweets, absolutely. But the numbers were not encouraging. So I actually gave up. And trust me, after you reach 5-7,000 steps, the body never says no. 24 kilometers at a stretch in the morning, 5 million steps karna hai sir.
How far are you from your 5 million target? Hello and welcome to another energizing episode of JCL podcast Bindas Bol. I am your host Ruchita and today we are talking about the simplest yet most powerful habits, walking. And joining us today is someone who has been at the forefront of this walking revolution, Piyush. So
Hey.
Piyush, welcome to the show.
Hi Ruchita, thanks a lot for having me here.
It's our pleasure, Piyush. So let's begin by understanding what you do at Geomart.
So at GeoMart, I do a lot of shopping.
Right.
But having said that, I am building categories, a couple of lifestyle categories and toys and stationery.
Lovely. So besides shopping and building categories, how do you pass your time beyond work? What are your interests and passions?
So my biggest passion in life is family. I love to spend time with them. I love to, improve their quality of life. That's whatever I do focuses towards that. But having said that, I'm also a bit of selfish person. And what I do in my free time is maybe I'll take up cycling, movie, reading some books, which is actually a new habit. Earlier, I used to procrastinate a lot, buy a lot of books, but never read them. The only thing that I read was index.
Okay.
After that, I have been switching to different habits, but of late, I have moved towards habits which are adding value to my life in terms of health and leadership skills. These are the two things. So my newfound passion, you could say, is walking.
Right.
Which I have developed over a period of years, but in true sense as a passion, I have pursued in the last 1.5 years.
Lovely. So I think you happen to be a multitasker, if I can say so, trying different things and then going for something, going behind something, walking being one of them. And I remember having that conversation with you the other day where just, out of the blue, I asked you about something I saw on your desk, which we are going to talk about very soon. And then from there, that conversation started. So it was a very interesting piece. And I thought it's important that our listeners and our fellow Geomartians also hear about your story. So your story about your passion for walking and how you are diligently completing a certain number of steps. So how did it all begin for you?
So I'll just take a little more time to go back and, how this journey began. So my tryst with walking started as a small kid, and my father used to take me over the weekends for long walks.
Okay.
And we used to feed the deers and the birds around. And along with that, I also used to go for karate classes. So there, as a warm-up exercise, walking and running for 4 to 6 kilometers was a mandate. So that is what happened. And then the past lifestyle was also, as kids, that for daily chores, we used to walk a lot. So for example, you want to go to that vending machine to get some milk for the house. There was no packet culture then. So uske liye bhi 1.5 kilometer walk kar liya is just a norm. In between, I lost touch with this activity because of studies and other things. Of course, now I see them as excuses, but then, it takes some toll of your day-to-day life. And in the recent past, due to health priorities, I wanted to take up running. But running, I felt I am being challenged because 10-kilometer runs, I started getting knee pains. And given the, news around that knees are problematic, operations are getting a normal thing. So I tried to avoid that till the time I am prepared physically, and also I have a expert coach to, guide me through this. So I took up walking.
Okay.
That's how it happened.
And was there something that triggered you? Like, I have to get out of the sofa and start walking.
So I used to walk for, let's say, 30 minutes. That also used to seem like, I'm contributing a lot towards my health. But then, actually, I'm a diabetic also. But the numbers never came down. So I quit eating sweets, absolutely. And I started walking 30 minutes, 40 minutes on a day-to-day basis. But the numbers were not encouraging. So I actually gave up.
Okay.
When things are not happening, why
Why
even
should you do it?
spend 30 minutes?
Mm.
But then it hit me, and it hit me hard when my elder son hugged me tightly one day out of blue, and he told, "Papa, आपको कभी hospital नहीं जाना है. I want you to live longer." And that day it hit me. Here, what am I doing? I am procrastinating, and this guy is caring for me. So why not give it a try in a better way? So I doubled my walking target. I from 4 kilometers approx, I improved it to 10.
Okay.
I stopped eating junk food, which was a daily exercise for me. Sweets I left, but I can't. There is a Marwadi inside me.
Yes.
The bhujiyas and the papads of the world. It's difficult to resist.
Difficult to resist.
And in the past 6 months, my colleagues can also vouch for me that I am not eating those stuffs on a day-to-day basis.
Amazing.
I have 4 to 5 cheat days in a month, but beyond that, I control myself.
Yeah, beyond that, you are in control.
Yeah.
I think your son's
And my numbers are also, touch wood, very good.
very good. And your son's hug, maybe, you know, was
Yeah.
that moment for you.
Whenever I'm
get started.
having a junk food, I remember that hug. And he is so much disciplined that even if I am having my cheat day, he would be strict. No junk
No
food
junk
for me.
food. He follows it
Yes,
diligently.
yes. So he is my
Amazing,
inspiration.
amazing. And being a Marwadi myself, I can totally understand your cravings for bhujiyas and saves of the world. But it's really amazing, Piyush, that you know you've been able to start something and now bring it to a place where you have you know really evolved in your journey.
Yeah.
What we'd really love to know is you know now where are you know after your journey started and you know you made it consistent. Now where do you see yourself now?
I think I'm in a very, very good place. The place where I started from, now I see it was minuscule effort with a lot of pain in the mind. और नहीं हो पाएगा. But now I'm in a very good place. I'm very much comfortable with the thought of walking.
Right.
Starting from the point कि average 3,000 steps होता है, 7,000 करना would be a challenge. अब होता है कि यार 15,000 ही तो हुआ है. How to make it 20,000?
Right.
How to reach 30,000?
So what is your current average of steps?
Recent past average is 18,000.
Wow.
And the peak is 41,000.
That's how many steps you've walked in one day.
41,000 steps in one day that I did on my last birthday when I reached 40 years of age. And I took a target that 40,000 karna hai.
That's so inspiring.
So it was just for myself, nothing else. So that is how I wanted to celebrate the day.
Right.
And my family was, gracious enough to arrange a cake, which was not a typical cake. It was made out of fruits and, healthy stuff. Yeah. So that was something special.
And you're doing 18,000 steps, you said.
On an average.
On an average.
In fact, I would like to quote that during the iLead program at JioMart, I was also inspired that you take a personal goal and lead yourself through a challenging journey.
Right.
So, that point in time, I was averaging around 11 to 13,000.
Correct. I remember.
So, then I took a call that, okay, thoda stretch karna hai, calculations bhi dekha, and then I took a target that 5 million steps karna hai is saal.
Wow.
So it was 12 months starting July, but retrospectively मैंने challenge को और बढ़ा दिया. April से ही कर लिया कि March तक मुझे 5 million करना है. तो asking rate भी बढ़ गया.
And how far are you from your 5 million target?
I am seeing very encouraging trends. I have just crossed 2.3 million steps.
So you're halfway through.
And in terms of hard points, which I also follow, not just steps, because steps only can also lead to zombie walking.
Correct.
I see a lot of people who walk for 8,000, 10,000 steps or 6,000 steps, but they earn only 8 to 10 hard points in the entire day.
Okay.
Which is not exciting because ultimately the hard points is a reflection of your rigor into the walking.
So, how briskly you are walking.
Yeah, so that's what is walking all about. Kitna brisk walk kar sakte. Of course, after having meals, you walk casually, very light. But the aim with which I am walking or I want others to walk is brisk only. Go brisk.
Okay. So with your brisk walking and your 18,000 steps, what's the kind of hard points you are now able to achieve?
So in the beginning, when you start walking, 5 to 10 minutes, you won't earn equivalent points. But after you maintain the momentum, after maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you typically earn 1 point for every minute of walk, typically. And if you are running, then it will be multiples. Or maybe if you're at the peak of brisk walking around 7 or 8 kilometers per hour, then also you get rewarded with 2 points per minute.
Per minute. So I think one thing that might come up in minds of our audience is that हमको 10,000 steps चलने में 1 घंटा लगता है, you know, how are you
Actually, 1
managing?
घंटा नहीं लगता है. It's more than
More than 1 hour.
hours.
So with you completing almost 20,000 steps, what's the kind of time it takes and how do you manage it with your schedule?
So, yeah, it's actually a good question because I have faced this challenge, this question in my mind for quite a lot of weeks. How to increase and yet manage the time. So, what I have done is that as a patient of diabetes, I need to have medicines twice or thrice a day.
Right.
So, I broke it down कि walking भी तो 2-3 बार में कर सकते हो.
Correct.
Where is the rule book which says कि आपको morning में ही 1-1.5 घंटा करना है, फिर नहीं कर सकते. And in fact, I feel that you know, people who focus on fitness, maybe walking, maybe running, maybe gym, वो activity में तो सब रिगर डालते हैं, बट छोटे छोटे काम करने के लिए पीपल फील कि यार मुझे बॉडी मूव नहीं करना है. सो आई ट्राई टू इम्बाइब मूवमेंट इन ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आई कैन डू. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव क्विट यूजिंग एलिवेटर्स फॉर 3 to 4 floors. एंड अगेन माय सन इज माय बेस्ट कंपेनियन. एक बार सीख गया तो वही मना करता, पापा लिफ्ट से नहीं जाना, लेट्स मेक आवर लेग्स स्ट्रॉन्गर. सो these are the things. तो अगर कहीं थोड़ा सा दूर काम है तो वॉक करके कर लिया. So all these small habits and some bit of inspiration comes from Atomic Habits.
Books
So,
that
yeah,
you're reading.
Yeah.
Yes.
So small habits, build them. And as Satadal had, you know, emphasized very strongly, it's all about tying the lace and reaching that floor.
That tiny habit.
Yeah,
that
tiny
one
habit.
tiny
अब वहाँ
action.
पहुंच जाओ, आपका 500 का मन हुआ तो 500 चल के आ जाओ, 1000 कर लो, 5000 कर लो. And trust me, after you reach 5,000-7,000 steps now, the body never says no. Unless you have an ailment, the body never says no. It says let's keep going. तो
So you break it
momentum में
down
मजा
to
आता है.
2-3 hours. It takes 2-3 hours, right?
Yeah.
Complete.
And first time I tested this on 2nd of August this year, when I just made an ambition, small ambition, कि हुसैन सागर लेक जाके आते हैं.
Oh, okay.
So I came, went there all alone and then came back. So in between return journey, I took the metro, but balance it was all walking.
Okay.
So on that day, I crossed 30,000. That was the first time. 24 kilometers at a stretch in the morning, and then return journey was.
And how long did that take you?
So the average speed was 6 kilometers per hour. So if you don't mind, I want to show this.
Yes,
this is,
please. I've been very curious about that.
This is that memory from the 2nd of
Maybe you
August.
can show it to our audience.
Yeah. So it is a very special day for me because not just it was a long walk, but it was solo also.
Okay.
So I was, you know, initially
How did it
planning.
make you feel that entire, you know, time when
Awesome.
you were walking alone?
Awesome. So initially, when I was planning, in fact, I was a bit scared also कि after how many kilometers I will give up or, you know, I will face some challenge and all this, that. But then I went ahead. I started at around 3 a.m. in the morning and I reached Hussain Sagar by 6 o'clock.
Okay.
And the other side of Hussain Sagar, in between I relaxed and, you know, took some pictures. So it was a journey till 7 a.m.
Okay.
And then I went to the metro station in Paradise. From there till High-Tech City Gachibowli and then back to home. So apart from metro, it was all walk
It's
there.
all walking. Amazing. I think this is really inspiring, Piyush, and I'm sure our listeners who are, you know, tuned in today are definitely deriving some bit of inspiration, right? And now I am becoming very, very curious about this mug that you showed, which I'd also like to show to our audience. So you see there is this one logo of a shoe and it says Big Briskies, big on steps, big on health. Can you please tell us a little bit more about what this is all about? What is Big Briskies?
So Big Briskies actually happened not in a very planned way, I would say. It was a step-by-step journey and there's a story around it.
Right.
So what happened is I was already walking and recently one of my colleagues, he got diagnosed with a lifestyle health ailment.
Okay.
So he came up to me and shared this concern. And actually, the moment he came and he said, "We need to talk," kind of thing. Na? I was like, "Ye paper
You're
darne ka,"
alarmed. I think that's an obvious thought.
So then he said that I'm facing with this issue, and in my mind, the only thing that was going on was when I was diagnosed, I felt, you know, a lot lonely. Whom do I talk to?
Correct.
How do I get motivated? And probably that need of motivation was also not there. I was a bit scared also. Ki if I share with somebody, it might have repercussions. So let's not do that. So I felt that loneliness and then I immediately decided that I should try and help this guy in some way what I
Correct.
can. I am also in the same boat, and let's make a little bit of ease for this guy. I can't cure him, but I can support him.
Right.
So with that thought, I invited him that why don't you walk with me every day? After lunch, I am walking. You can also walk.
Right.
So my morning, afternoon, evening, I inspired him. I gave him my personal tips, and I of course recommended whatever your medical practitioner says, you follow that, and of course dietitians. So that's how that journey began. From 1 to 2. Big Briskies was not there in the mind.
Okay.
So then one fine day I was supposed to travel for 3 days. And then I thought, what if this guy loses motivation? And then there were on and off companions in the form of other colleagues also who were, a
Came
bit of
in when-
conscious for health, but not working as a group or something.
Consistently they were.
So I just tried to bond with all of them and create a group. We just created a WhatsApp group. And I was thinking कि group का नाम भी कुछ होना चाहिए.
हाँ, correct.
So what we should do, we should make things big. The journey, the number of steps should be big in number, ideally, not as a mandate, but ideally it should be. And we should walk brisk.
Briskly.
With that idea, immediately naam aaya Big Briskies.
Brisk.
And it is also, the phrase is also inspired by a famous brewery in Bengaluru.
Oh, Big
So,
Briskies.
Big Brewskis.
Big Brewskis.
Yeah, not to promote that, but I just wanted to mention the inspiration.
Amazing.
So that's how it happened. And then I thought कि लोगों को भी बना लेते हैं, ब्लैंक लग रहा है वो डीपी, सो इंडिविजुअल्स के फोटो डल नहीं सकते, तो आई थॉट कि चलो लोगो बनाते हैं. कैसे बनाए? तो एआई इज वेरी पॉपुलर. सो some part of the journey of Big Briskies is also empowered by or powered by ChatGPT. So this logo was made with the help of ChatGPT. In fact, when this got serious and I was also, adding rigor to my journey, I used AI, ChatGPT, as a consultant in terms of what are the precautions that I need to take, what are the preparations that I need to,
Okay.
be ready with. And it helped me in my entire journey as a consumer. ChatGPT was the first sales consultant who told me what my feet type is, what are the repercussions of not taking care of it, and what kind of shoes I should avoid and what kind of shoes I should wear. So this was all done with ChatGPT. So credit goes to ChatGPT also.
I think some amount of credit also goes to you for taking that kind of effort to use ChatGPT as a consultant, ask the right kind of questions, figure out the right kind of shoes for your feet, I know it's not easy, and also be able to inspire a lot of other people. And I'm sure they are also definitely benefiting from this.
Yeah, I really hope so. And I just want to make it a point that not that because I am part of this podcast, people should follow the idea.
Right.
Of course, this is nothing new. But of course, I also want to add that walking is a long forgotten sport,
Yes.
which
correct.
people don't see as a sport actually. I was reading an article, I don't recall the name, probably I'll share with you later, which mentioned about walking as a sport in the USA.
Okay.
More than 100 years ago, people used to walk for 5 days at a stretch
Right.
with, of course, the biological breaks.
Correct.
The way we enjoy Test cricket, walking was a sport, and people used to walk hundreds of miles during this event. So I said, if they can do it, why not
Why
we?
can't we? I think nowadays people have started looking at walking as a task more than, something which is fun, relaxing, helping your mental health, helping you to reflect on a lot of things, right?
Yeah.
Moving on, I think it's been an amazing chat with you, Piyush, but we are very curious. I am very curious, and we would love to meet the Big Briskies.
Of
Yeah.
course, they are also eager to meet.
We are really looking forward to meeting them. So, to our listeners, this was the first segment of today's episode. Where shortly we are moving to the next segment. Where we are inviting our Big Briskies, and we are gonna hear it from the horse's mouth. So stay tuned for the next segment. Hello and welcome, Big Briskies.
Hello.
Hi. So, Piyush, I think I'd like you to do the honors and introduce your Big Briskies. One
Yeah,
by
so the Big Briskies group is big enough, but we have 3 more friends from that group. Right on Ankit, and then we have Ishan and Himango.
one. Hello.
We all are part of the general merchandise team at GeoMart professionally, but outside of that, we have become good friends thanks to
Right.
Big Briskies also.
Amazing. So welcome Ankit, Ishan, Himango, and of course Piyush.
Thank you.
It's so great to have all of you here. This is something we are doing for the first time on our JCL podcast. where we have a group of people, joining us to share their set of stories. So I'm going to start one by one. Maybe I'll start with Ankit. So Ankit, how did it all begin for you? How did you join Big Briskies and what happened after that?
I'll take you about a couple of years back. Okay. Again, like Piyush said, for his own personal experience, I got a lifestyle issue. Okay. And I had to do something about it, right? So, I started walking on my own and, being active basically. I did that for a year and then obviously, what Piyush has already mentioned, right? So, both of them, like Ishan and Piyush, they have been walking a lot and we see them always. And I walk on my own. And then Piyush came up to me and said, okay, since you're walking and we are walking, let's join up, right? And then that's how Big Briskies was born, the WhatsApp group, right? Then, by the time I actually connected with Piyush and Ishan to actually join Big Briskies, I had actually tapered down my walking, frankly speaking. Like 2 years back when I had that ailment, and then in the 6 months time I had gone up to 10, 12,000, 13,000 steps average, but then tapered it down 6,000, 5,000, 6,000 ho rahe the basically. Then when I joined Big Briskies, right, then I realized, okay, there is a group of people who are like me, who want to be active and who want to be healthy, right? I took that as an inspiration for me to get back to my previous self, right? So, I started walking and 6,000 से 8,000, 10,000 हो गया. And then, eventually 13,000 हो गया. And then, I decided, ठीक है, I'll take it one step at a time, right? So, last week, I think I shared the numbers in the group also. I was able to achieve 15,000 steps average for a week, right? So, and the total step count week on week was like 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, and last week it was 1,08,000.
Wow.
So that has been my journey, and obviously with my colleagues also walking alongside me, it actually helps me to be accountable to myself and be accountable to others. Not that they're asking me to post. I post it for my own benefit so that, I know, okay, I'm doing this.
Correct.
They are doing this much. Okay, fine. I might do it at my own pace, but then I have an opportunity. If someone is doing better than me, I can actually aim for that.
Correct.
That's how, as Piyush said, we have turned from, work colleagues to Big Briskies to doing something outside of work as well.
Something that's really helping you
Yes,
grow,
yes,
right?
absolutely.
So many ways.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ankit, for sharing your journey with us. That's truly inspiring. I think I'd move on to Ishan. I think Ishan, आपके बारे में पीयूष ने थोड़ा हमको दिया है, idea कि how it all began for you, but we'd like to hear from you about your journey.
Sure. So
Let's go.
we'll rewind to 3 months back.
Right.
I was leading a very sedentary lifestyle, eating lots of junk food, no exercise literally. And one fine day, during some random tests, I found some abnormality in terms of some of my critical parameters. And then it struck me that the reality struck, right? And I reached out to Piyush. And of course, I had to do something about it. And Piyush was already walking by then. And he said, just tag along and, keep up with me. And at that time, it was initially very difficult to keep up with the pace. But he really helped me, walk initially and take those baby steps. Come to the present day, so currently I walk around 17K per day, 70,000 steps per day. And my lifestyle has changed. I'm not eating junk anymore. I'm following a regular diet. And just by walking, I've lost around 12 kilos the last 3-4 months.
Wow, that's
That deserves an toast, Didi.
yes.
And
The best turnaround in the group.
Right.
yeah, yes. And regarding the medical parameters, when I did the test recently, again they were normal. And I'm looking to completely reverse it. And thanks to Big Rescue actually, and Piyush of course. That
So you. And his membership is unique in a way that his mom has also joined the group now.
Oh, amazing. So I think I was going to ask this question to all of you. Like, has this had an impact somewhere in your families? Because I know spouses usually would say, "Arey, you're going out for 2 hours, 3
Agreed.
hours."
So there was a
Time
two-pronged story at my end at least. Initial was, इतना क्यों walk करते हो? घर में time ही नहीं दे रहे, दो बच्चे हैं और सब मैं ही पालूं. But now with the outcomes in place, I think she has also owned up.
Right.
कि जब भी टाइम मिलेगा वॉक करने जाना है.
करने जाना है.
So she is aiming 6 to 8,000
Wow.
with 2 kids and the entire home responsibility. I think that's a big number for her, but she is doing it.
Right.
Time availability है तो कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
In fact 10 मिनट फ्री हैं, चलो वॉक
Walk
करके आ जाओ.
हाँ.
फनी स्टोरी, मैं एक बार गाड़ी में सीएनजी भरवाने गया, जैसे ही मेरा नंबर आया पावर कट हो गया.
Okay.
15 मिनट तो लगेगा ही बोला
Walk
उसने,
कर
तो
लिया.
थोड़ा वॉक कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. So that is how we have imbibed it in our day-to-day lives.
The advantages of walking. Walking is such a simple activity that
कभी भी कर सकते.
we can and you don't need to think. You just need to walk.
You just need
You
to.
don't need to think about walking.
Correct.
You don't need to plan. Now, 5 minutes, you have that time. You have the initiative within you. Just walk.
आप लोगों की बातें सुन के I just want to get up and start walking. That's why.
You know, we were kidding outside when we were waiting कि अगर रुचिता आज 1 घंटा वेट कराएगी तो यहाँ पे ही 6,000 हो जाएंगे.
Okay, I didn't make you wait for your 6,000 steps, but and you said your mom has also joined you, right? It's amazing, guys. And now I think Himango, आपकी भी story हम सुन लेते हैं.
मेरा my stint with Big Whiskey is little brief. I joined around 1.5 months back.
Right.
मैंने पहले ज्वाइन किया हुआ था and I was part of the WhatsApp group, but mute करके रखा था.
ये आउटकास्ट है हमारे.
And then तो I unmuted it around 1 month back. तो PME था. PME में everything was good, but I was found a little bit overweight. तो मेरा weight loss ही good था, and that's why I joined this group.
Amazing.
तो initially obviously I started with small daily count of steps. तो उसमें 10,000 हो जाते थे, but धीरे धीरे I'm trying to increase it up. हाँ. तो I think मेरा maximum है एक दिन का 30,000 steps हुआ है.
Wow.
हाँ, वो I did on 4th of October.
हाँ.
And अभी average around 20 to 20,000 steps कर रहा हूँ daily.
Okay.
So I manage it by doing a morning walk. So in morning I try to cover 12 to 15,000 steps.
Amazing. And you guys are making it sound so simple, it's like 18,000 steps and 20,000, as if it's nothing. And people really struggle to even get their 10,000 steps, which is like a bare minimum, which is recommended, right? It's amazing. And
Again, a true funny story.
Okay.
Recently, we met a colleague at the cafeteria and I was like, यार क्या हो गया, बहुत वो लग रहे हो. अरे यार बहुत पैदल चल के आना पड़ा. I was like, कहाँ से? रायदुर्ग मेट्रो से इधर आए. We all were laughing. Yeah.
ये तो हमारे लिए बाएं हाथ.
ये तो अभी 15 मिनट फ्री टाइम दे तो जाके आ जाते.
Wow. You said you lost 12 kgs. Have you also guys lost any weight?
Yeah,
Would you like
so-
to share?
Yeah, sorry.
3, okay, not bad.
So in the last 6 months that I've measured, I've lost around 4 kgs.
Amazing.
And another 4 or 5 I want to lose.
Target.
Like
And
in the
Himango,
year.
what about you?
Around 2 to 3
I think next PME may you will be all fit and fine, right? Overweight. Lovely. Okay, so I see that's a very beautiful bond amongst you all, and you said that you all in the same team. So how has Big Briskies helped you? Has it helped you become, better in terms of your interpersonal relationship? And one more thing that I'd like to know is any memory that has stood out for you where you really want to share with our audience as a group. Any one of you.
We Piyush and me we get colleagues like to मैंने पहले तो ऑफिस के अंदर भी we used to spend a lot of time.
Okay.
हाँ. अभी now कभी भी lunch के बाद we get some time and we walk and we talk a lot.
Yes.
We talk about different things. ऑफिस की बातें भी करते हैं और बाकी all
बाकी भी.
did. हाँ.
Right.
उसके अलावा I think संडे को भी एक बार व्यूज आ गया था. हाँ.
So actually Sunday ko I take my son to some training classes, so which happens to be very close by to his house.
Okay.
So I just called. He would have not expected कि
Sunday को
कौन आया है.
walk कर.
I said चल नीचे आ रहा है क्या, मैं तेरी बिल्डिंग के नीचे वॉक कर रहा हूँ.
And what do you have to say about this?
So, Big Briskies has really helped us improve interpersonal relationships because what happens is, in office, it's a very serious atmosphere.
Correct. Very transactional.
Very transactional. Like whatever we go entire day, right? We go home. But Big Briskies has added another dimension which you can discuss something more than that, and you have interactions other than work and that.
Correct.
And basically, if it is focused towards health,
Right.
it is even more beneficial to all of the people
around. And you also become, your bonds become very strong, right? Your rapport becomes better. Great. Piyush, any last thoughts?
of course, there's a lot that we can express and talk. And of course, on the last question, I would also like to add that when we walk, apart from interacting with each other, I think we also get a lot of me time, which is a blessing in today's era,
Right.
you know.
Correct.
And when you are walking, of course, if you take it as a challenge, you can do it. Otherwise, it's difficult to have screen time,
Correct.
right? So the numbers that we are doing, typically 1.5, 2.5 hours, you are away from everyone.
Everyone.
So that's a blessing for your mind, your body, your soul, everything. You meditate with open eyes and moving body. That's all I can say in terms of walking as an exercise, not just a side activity. And I would urge everyone that whatever numbers possible, wherever possible, please start walking, start moving your body. In fact, today only, coincidentally, I read an article on LinkedIn wherein a person who was walking 15,000 steps also suffered a major heart attack and had to get 2 stents. But he realized that he was not moving the entire day. So break the numbers down into, you know, smaller portions like you do with your meals and consume, relish it.
Keep yourself active throughout.
And 1 or 2 bursts of, you know, long duration walking. Because long duration mein kya hota hai ki you get more rigor, momentum, energy levels are high, and beyond 5-7K, I reiterate that point. When I walk 30,000 and 40,000, after 6-7,000, your body keeps on moving. You just avoid
becomes
applying
easy
the
for
brake.
you.
The body will reach
Yes.
whatever number it can.
Correct.
And a good pair of shoes.
Yes.
That's very important.
I think very beautifully summarized, Piyush and all of you. Thank you so much. Before we, wrap up, as a group, what is your one-line motto? And if you all can say it out loud together. I think it's there on your mug also.
Yeah, I think we can do that.
Yes.
Big briskies, big on steps, big on health.
Health. Awesome. Great. Thank you so much, guys.
Thanks for having us here and giving us this opportunity to, share our story.
It's our pleasure. I'm sure it is going to inspire a lot of people in JioMart to get started. You might get more people joining.
Yeah, we are more than happy to welcome people to the group.
Yes.
Even if they don't remain fully active in the beginning, it's fine. Start as a small brisky and big will happen.
Big will happen automatically.
We are there to cheer you up.
Great. Thank you so much, guys. And that's a wrap on today's episode, guys. We have had a lot of inspiration coming in today from Piyush and his big briskies. My humble request to all of you is to also enroll yourself in big briskies. If not big briskies, you can get started by walking on your own. But try and maintain a healthy lifestyle and get those steps in. So that's all on today's episode. Keep tuning in to JCL Podcast Bindas Bowl for more such amazing episodes. Thank you. Shrikant is very mad at us.
3, 2, 1, go!